Well, good day. This is formatting numbers. I'm in Excel. I'm on the Home tab, and I have this little spreadsheet with these. Oh, wait a minute. These numbers don't seem right. Look at this one. It says 15. It's supposed to be 15.00. Let me type that in real quick. Sorry. Let's see. 15.00. Enter, and now I'm ready to go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Maybe I didn't type that right. Let's type that again. 15.00. Enter. Okay, now I'm ready to start the. Wait a minute, where'd the 00 go? If you want more decimal places, you can't just type .00. You're going to have to add more decimal points with the increase decimals button. This says I have a few decimals and I need more, so I read it from the top to the bottom. I have a few and I need more. Let me give it one click. Let me give it two clicks. Much better. Same with this 24. I need more decimals. I have a few and I need more. So I give it a click, I get one, I give it a click, I have another. You can do the same thing if you highlight them all and say I want to decrease the decimals. I have two and I want fewer. So I can say it'll just round off, or I can pop it bigger like that. Let's go look at the next one. Here's a little spreadsheet, and I want these dollar signs on here. This is supposed to be money and I don't have any dollars, so you can just put in the dollar sign with the, look at that, dollar sign, give it a click, and boom, you're done. I think I'll do the same thing to the top one. Currency on the top, currency on the bottom. That looks pretty good. Oh, wait a minute, this one doesn't look good. It's supposed to be 90 cents, 90. How are you supposed to fix that? That's right, I need to increase the decimals. That looks a lot better. Currency, that's the currency button. Look, there's lots of other currencies you can do, but hey, I'm not from China, so I'm not going to do that one. Well, now that I have them all currency, how do I get them back? Maybe I don't want currency, so I can just highlight them again and say I want that currency off. So it says accounting up here, but I don't want accounting. I just want general everyday numbers, general. Hey, it's back to normal. On this one, I'm supposed to figure out the average miles driven, so I'll type equals average, and then I'll say I want to average out these numbers right here, and oh my gosh, look at all these decimal places I have. That is like way too many decimal places. I need to round that off. I have a lot of decimals and I want fewer. So I'll go to this decrease decimals, give it a click, click it again, click it again, click it again. How's that look? How about one more? If the top numbers are whole numbers, then the bottom number ought to be a whole number too. That one looks a lot better. So I could round it off. I can make more decimals or I can make less decimals. Here's more, here's less. There you go. Let's go do another one. So on this one I have a bunch of expenses and I have the percent for each expense, and if I were to add all these up it should be 100%, but they don't look like percents to me. So I'm going to find the percent button. There it is. Give it a click and those are the percents. That looks pretty good to me. Let's go do the next one. The next one is here and it has a list of points for each person, but the points don't have a comma between the thousands and the hundreds. You know, it's supposed to be 6 comma 568. So I think I'll put commas in there, and by golly there's a comma button, but watch out. This comma button does more than you think it does. It's going to do more than just put in a comma. Watch. It puts in 2 decimal places as well. So I'm going to say I have a lot of decimals and I want less. I want less and I want less. That looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight all of these things. I'm going to put commas in with the comma button, and then I have too many decimals, so I'm going to make I have a lot and I want fewer. See, it's this one on the right. I have a lot and I want fewer. I give it a click and I give it a click. That one looks pretty good. Let's go do the next one. So on this one I wanted to show you the difference between currency and accounting. I'm going to leave these numbers alone. They're all the same, 500, 500, 500. They're all 1,000. These are just to let you know what's going on. I'll highlight the blue ones and I'm going to change it from general. I don't want general. I want currency like this. So I click currency and I get dollars and cents. That looks great. Let's go look at accounting, the red ones. Instead of doing currency, I'm going to choose the accounting one. Here's accounting. Let's see what's different. Are they the same? Are they different? Let's go see. Is currency the same as accounting? Well, not really. Accounting has things nice and lined up way over here, aren't they? They're all lined up. But this one, the dollar signs are very close. So the currency and the accounting are different things. They're a little bit different. Yeah, that's about all there is to it.